Let me show you how to model with Master Poke Face. Press Shift-A and create a cylinder. Press Tab to enter edit mode. Select the vertical edges, press Ctrl-R and increase the number of vertical loops. Select the faces around the object, right-click and choose Poke Face. Then go to Face and select Tris to Quads. Again go to Face and select Poke Face. Increase the poke offset to push the points outward. Select the object, go to the Modifier tab and add an array modifier. To fix the issue, select the top and bottom edge segments and align them with the object's edges. Add a curve modifier to the object. Then select the desired curve and increase the array count to grow the object along the curve. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for quick Blender tips. Thanks for watching.